You guys, we are currently in Indiana, and this is one of the small cities, and we're kind of exploring their downtown. This is what the downtown looks like. It's very quiet, except the little protests and cheering. But it's very nice. Kind of reminds me of like Naperville and Aurora downtown combined. It's very cute. Cute little downtown. This is the name of the downtown. It's called Lafayette, Illinois. Lafayette, Indiana. I keep saying Illinois. But yeah, it's very cute and peaceful. See, people honk to support the protesters and then they start cheering. This is my favorite building that I've spotted so far.